Behavioral momentum is an antecedent intervention used in applied behavior analysis. It can be a fun and easy way to gain cooperation from children. I often refer to this as the salesman approach. Salesmen are really good at getting you to say yes, even when you have every intention of saying no. So, for example, if you go in to buy a car, the salesman's going to ask you a series of questions that you're very likely to say yes to, and then when he goes to ask you that final question about buying the car, you're more likely to say yes because you've had that momentum of saying yes to previous questions. So he might ask you questions like, you need something that's reliable, right? You want something that's sporty, don't you? And so by asking a series of questions that he believes that you're going to say yes to, you're more likely to say yes when he asks you to buy the car. So we do this in applied behavioral analysis to encourage children to cooperate with us. They become more likely to comply with those more challenging demands if we set them up for success at first. So we're going to look at a couple of video examples. The first one, the ultimate goal is to get the child to sit at the table and eat dinner. So for a child who doesn't want to eat dinner, what we can do is present some very simple demands that they're likely to say yes to. And then the ultimate demand is to sit down to eat dinner. Let's take a look. Hey, clap your hands. Nice job. Do 2 thumbs up. Wow. Do moose face. Moose. Oh, grab your juice. Great. Put it by the plate. Have a seat. It's time for dinner. Nice job. Nice sitting. I like it. In the second video, we are trying to get the learner to go to the sink to wash dishes. So we begin by presenting some simple demands that the learner is likely to comply with. Let's take a look. Clap your hands. Jump up and down. Nice job. All right. Touch your head. Nice. Let's walk to the sink. Choosing tasks that are silly, interesting, or fun can really motivate your learner to comply with your ultimate demands. You can see how I used different strategies such as clapping hands because that's fun. I'm also very well known for my moose face. A lot of the learners that I work with, we practice this just throughout the day, and it's just something that they find really fun and motivating. And so when I use it as behavioral momentum, they're very likely to comply with that. Try it. You can use it throughout the day. It's very simple, and once you become familiar with it, you can start whipping it out without even a lot of conscious effort. It's a fabulous tool for a lot of learners who have difficulty complying with simple demands.